Welcome plant friends! It's a beautiful winter day and we are going to show you all about aeration today. So what we have is we have 2 plants and a bunch of chopsticks. That's all you need. So where you want to be aerating is a plant that is super compact. So what you do is you pour out all the stones. What you do is you take your chopstick. Chopsticks are the best because they're a little bit blunt. They're not too sharp to pierce roots. And you push down into the soil. Nice, I would say about 6-7 times into the soil. And what you're doing is you're going to be allowing water to be going into the soil as evenly as possible. Because often what happens in compact soil like this, where the soil drinking water, promise you that's water, it's got a water label on it, it's not poison. Yeah. What you want to do, look here, Rose. Press in here. Press. Press, 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 press. Push, push, push. Look what mommy does. Look. You want to try that? Okay. So what happens is when plants are very compact, they pull away from the pots, and when you water, all the water goes right past the roots and out at the bottom, so the roots aren't even getting the water. That's why aeration is great. So when you make holes and you put the water onto the plant, it goes straight down the hole, straight down to the roots, and that's it. So grab a chopstick or 2, reuse your chopsticks, and poke, people. Here we go, Rose, you have a chance. Poke there, poke there. As easy as that. Okay, see you next time. Say bye.